So we've got something a little bit different today. We've got Lewis's F40 down with us. So he's going to have the brand new Zaero Kit fitted, and I thought now would be a good time because I've never driven one of these and I've driven Sam's car quite a lot, and this is roughly around the same sort of budget. So I'm going to have a little drive on it and see what I actually think about it. It's the 128 Ti. So as far as I know, it's a 2-litre block turbo, 4-cylinder. So it'd be quite nice to have a little drive in it and sort of see what happens. It's front wheel drive. I think it should be quite a nice little comparison compared to the Mark 8. But I'll show you around the car, I'll show you what he's got on it at the moment. And what we're going to be fitting on it today is the brand new Zaero Kit, which involves a new front splitter, side skirts and rear diffuser. But one thing I must add straight away is this interior is absolutely lovely. It feels like non-M cars are feeling a lot more like M cars, and it even has like M seat belts as well. Let's get in the workshop and get started on it. Okay, what's first then, bruv?
Start off, we'll get the car up.
Yep.
And I reckon we'll start off with the splitter, then the diffuser, then we'll do the side skirts last.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. So the F40 is now complete. It now has the full Zaero Kit, front splitter, side skirts and rear diffuser, and I'm also really excited to drive it. But first of all, I'm going to show you what the kit looks like. So I think now is the time to take it for a drive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a quick little rev test. This car is completely standard. All it's got is a muffler delete on the exhaust and a comb filter, I believe. Give it a little rev test and see what it sounds like. Still got the OPFs in though, so. Quite nice considering it's just a muffler delete. Be nice to hear it without the muffler delete as well. But it needs a little bit of a pop. I'm a bit of an Asbo. Gonna swap over to GoPro footage and have a little drive and see what I think. Okay, so we're in the F40 128 Ti. Let's see what she's saying, man. First things first, Jack's probably gonna be a little bit upset about this, but the interior is very similar to the 240. It just feels a little bit shorter. What's really nice is with the Ti, you get all of like this red sort of trim which is everywhere, and it's got like TI imprinted on the armrest and stuff like that. Put it straight into sports mode, obviously. I'm mainly sort of comparing this to Sam's Mark 8 GTIs. They're roughly the same sort of price bracket, and I've drove his one recently. But first thing I've definitely noticed is this is in sport mode, individual mode, everything like that. It feels a lot looser than what Sam's does. As far as I know, this is on HR 30mm springs, which is surprising because usually HR is very sort of rock solid on the road. Feels quite talky though, doesn't feel slow. I'll be honest, it actually feels faster than the Mark 8 GTi, actual power wise, which is quite surprising. And a little bit of torque steer. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I think this definitely does feel quicker than Sam's GTI, but handling wise, I've definitely got a lot more confidence in the GTI. This, you can feel the torque steer, you can feel it pulling the steering all over the place. It is a fun car to drive. So that was an interesting little drive. Overall thoughts, I'd say this is a lovely car. It's Lovely place to be in, especially for cruising and stuff like that. I'd say that it feels like it's got more power than what the MK8 GTi has. You can feel it snapping a little bit more. Needs them OPFs taken out and thrown in a bush. But yeah, lovely car though, Lou. Big shout out to Lou coming down here and getting all the parts on his car. I'll put his at down there. Thank you for letting me go and take a little drive in the car as well. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.